Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials so you can build fast. Confirm your primary offer and pricing, then make sure domain, payments, and shipping are live. Once done, install a funnel app and add tracking pixels and GA4 so you capture behavior from day one. Now create a dedicated landing page in Shopify, set a clear CTA, and connect that CTA to a draft checkout or optimized product page. This gets the funnel moving and gives you real data to iterate quickly. Next, focus on the middle. Convert interested visitors into buyers. Build a lead capture with an incentive, then route prospects to a low-ticket tripwire or streamlined checkout to reduce friction. Create 1-2 email sequences, welcome and cart recovery, and attach an immediate post-purchase upsell. Make sure conversion events are defined clearly in your analytics and funnel app, and that button clicks map to add to cart and purchase. This structure increases average order value and creates finish by testing and validating the whole flow. Run a/B tests on headlines, CTA, and checkout steps, then monitor conversion rate, AOV, CAC, and LTV to judge performance. Once done, scale winning ads and refine emails based on behavior. If things go wrong, the most common fix is tracking or app conflict. Verify pixel firing, disable new apps one at a time, and confirm checkout redirect rules. Keep iterations small. Each test should target a single hypothesis, so you learn fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.